What's up, bratans? Welcome back on this channel. We will speak today about the MACD, which turned right now green. You see this green dot, which is very amazing. And we are speaking also here about the long-short chart because we see the long-short ratio continues its slow creep down. So right now, as we see, the long-short ratio is still too high. It means there are more shorts in the market than longs. And usually, you know what the market maker love to do? They love to wreck all the longs if they are more long position, or to wreck all the shorts if they're more short position. So what we want to see in case of this bounce working out, so this green dot, the MACD, this green dot, which is showing us usually if it's green, we see usually a pump in the market. We see green, bam, we see pump. Here you see green dot, you see a massive pump. So in order to this MACD working out, we should see this long-short ratio slowing down, because we don't want to see more longs in the market. We want to see more shorts in the market in order that the market maker wreck the short positions, right? Let us go further. Bitcoin retail demand to remain strong ahead of the halving event, JP Morgan. So it means no panic, bratan. Still, yes, we have this FUD regarding the SEC, which are suing Binance, but chill. Everything is fine. In the big picture, everyone want to buy Bitcoin, right? I turn on the light. So everything is fine, bratans. It could be a massive bear trap here. Be careful. We will speak everything here about. And what I want also to speak is SEC versus Ripple. The Hinman documents are due to be made public on the 13th of June, and conclusion is suspected to come before the end of June. It means, so before end of June, we will see clarity if Ripple will win against the SEC. And why it's so bullish, I explain you. And currently it looks to be in Ripple favor. So this is amazing. A loss for the SEC would likely to take some of the sting out of the SEC case against Binance. So prepare for this. End of June. In case, destroy the like button, bratans. Yeah, bratan, what's up? How are you? We talk about NFTs. He's an amazing bratan. I kiss you, bratan. Are you in Dubai right now? Again, if the SEC will lose against Ripple, and this will happen, we will see it end of June. This would be so bullish. This could bring the whole market back again to the upside, and we could see the relief rally to continue to 35, 36K Bitcoin, and we could see potentially Ripple take a big shot, right? So the next big resistance of Ripple is here at around 60 cents, right? But in case they are winning this against the SEC, I'm expecting Ripple to shoot through the roof to around 86 cents. So 60% pump we could see easily from XRP, because at 86 cents we see massive, huge historical resistance. So this big news, we will see if they win or not end of June. But in case they win, this will be big for the whole crypto market, right? Bratans, how many likes we have right now on this video? Before I going further, I have prepared some big news for you, bratans. We will watch also which coins right now to buy, potentially, because we saw this dip and there is an opportunity to buy a lot of altcoins, right? So we will speak also in the immediate short term how to trade Bitcoin in a second, but we are right now only 20 likes and 64 people watching. Come on, bratans, hit the like button that we have at least 30 likes, blood. Okay? So, bratans, it's still showing me 20 likes. I hope it will go up. 22 likes, amazing. So, bratans, let us go further here and watch on Bitcoin right now. So as we saw, the MACD flashed green here, which is quite bullish. But be very careful, because we still have the monthly support line. And in case we cannot hold this monthly support line, I'm expecting then Bitcoin blood hardly to drop down. So we could see right now in the immediate short term easily Bitcoin going down to 24,800, which would be okay, it would be no problem. But in case, which speaks also that we are going to 24,800, is this big chart of the long short positions where we see more long right now in the market than short. So we could go easily to 24,800, but we don't want to break the monthly support line 24,800 because the next support would be here at around 23,600. So this could be a potential short opportunity in case we are breaking the monthly support line of 5%. Why 23,600? Because at 23,600, you see here, there is coming a lot of volume at 23,600. So we have a green area, support area between 23,600 and between 22,400. You see here, there is a big area of volume is coming in. So in case we are breaking the monthly support line, we go easily down in this area. In case we are breaking this area also, the next support is coming here, 21,100 and 21,100. You know what's coming, 21,100. At 21,100 is coming our CME gap, which is perfectly coming at 21,100. And it's not guaranteed that it will be closed, but usually it's getting close. So watch out for this. On the big picture, the coin, if you're watching the total crypto market cap, yes, we broke it to the downside right now, but we don't know, is this a fake out or not, right? So be very careful right now with shorting. We see the S&P 500 looks still very strong. We broke above the S&P 500, above this channel. The futures, you see here, the S&P 500 futures are right now at 4,277. So we are still here right now in this area. It means we are very strong. And if we have a very strong S&P 500, it means also very strong Bitcoin. Because if S&P 500 is strong, this is the leading indicator for Bitcoin. If S&P 500 is weak and dumping, usually Bitcoin dumps also, because Bitcoin is following usually S&P 500. So watch out for this. The US dollar, what I like about, because the DXY, we want to see the US dollar dumping in order to Bitcoin pumping. And we see the US dollar, the DXY, creating lower highs, which is very bullish, and we're creating lower lows, which is very bullish for us, because it means you see the DXY pumped in the last weeks, and it looks like we will see here rollover, and we should see the DXY dumping. Because if the DXY is dumping, Bitcoin is pumping. So this is exactly what we want to see. Watch out for the DXY, because we want to see Bitcoin further bouncing to the upside. Watch out also, yesterday we spoke in the live stream about the crude oil, because in case we see crude oil further dumping, and we saw here a massive dump, the last candle yesterday, we saw here weekly, you see here it's very red, you see. So we want to break down crude oil, breaking down this crucial support line, which is since February 2021, so nearly, or it's already 2-year-old support line. In case we are breaking it to the downside, it means crude oil is getting very cheap. And if crude oil is getting very cheap, your product's getting very cheap, it will be very bullish for the market, because the economy is starting to move faster, right? So we see the price of Bitcoin and so on exploding. Now let's come to Ethereum. This is a very quick ride through the charts, Ethereum Bitcoin chart, and we saw the price of Bitcoin and the whole market dumping, but Ethereum is winning against Bitcoin. This looks so bullish. Ethereum looks so bullish, and I'll tell you in a second also some big news. We see here, we broke to the upside, we perfectly retested. Look at this. We closed yesterday a very nice candle above the support line, a perfect retest, and right now we see further pumping to the upside. So we could see Ethereum here really start running to the upside. And if we are watching right now the Ethereum chart, we see we perfectly broke here this resist line since April 2023, retested it, pumped to the upside, but with yesterday's breakfast, with yesterday's candle, we broke it again to the downside. However, I would wait because this candle This candle is still 12 hours until it closes, and I'm expecting this candle to close above this support line or resistance line right now, and this will be quite bullish. In case we not see, or except we don't see some bearish news regarding some fuck news against SEC is suing Binance, some more news. We see VRVP, the volume is coming at 1923. So in case we are breaking here this massive resistance line, in case we are breaking this line at around, let me make it maybe yellow, it doesn't matter, I make it here purple. In case we are breaking 1920, right? It's not only historically a massive resistance line, but we see also here massive volume coming in. In case we are breaking this volume to the upside, it means the next resistance is coming here at around $2,100. So we could long Ethereum 8.6% with 8.6%, and 10x average is even 86%. So this could be a very, very nice long opportunity for Ethereum. By the way, you know where you can trade on Bybit. You can trade Ethereum, Bitcoin, $1,000. You get free long or short position. So this looks very bullish right now for Ethereum. Wait a minute, let me quickly further go. For Ethereum, it obviously always depends on Bitcoin. If we see Bitcoin going down to shit to 20K, we will see also Ethereum dumping, right? So, but I have some more news regarding Ethereum, because we see here the amount of Bitcoin held on exchanges saw a steep decline of 12%, while Ether supply saw a slight gain, the Wall Street giant noted. So this is so bullish for Ethereum. So not only the charts are speaking, but also in the news we see some bullish news regarding Ethereum. So the big picture of Ethereum showing us that Ethereum could in the next weeks outperform Bitcoin. It obviously depends if we don't have, if we shouldn't see some more FUD news regarding Binance. Let us right now watch the whole crypto market. So we see the market is very red in the last 24 hours, but let us go on the daily and so what dumped in the last 7 days heavily. And we see Pepe dumped crazy. We have only market cap of 400,000 right now. So if you believe in Pepe, Pepe is right now number one meme coin, then you could right now, in my opinion, put some money in, because we dumped over 26%, so this could be a nice buy opportunity. Sui dumped also over 22%. I bought Sui yesterday. I showed you in the live stream. I bought Sui yesterday, and possibly I will buy even more Sui if it dumps even further, but I'm expecting that Sui is bottoming out around 80 cents. It always depends if Bitcoin is not further dumping down. If we don't see, and Bitcoin shouldn't dump further down, because we saw some little bit FUD regarding the SEC suing Binance, but they shouldn't have more, especially if we're watching XRP versus SEC. End of June, we will see the decision. If XRP winning against the SEC, we will see the whole crypto market running to the upside, and we will see Sui will outperform like Aptos all the altcoins, in my opinion, not a financial advice. Also, we see Agix. Agix is one of the blue chip AI coins, AI projects, over 20% dump. Agix could be also a nice opportunity to buy right now for long term, because we have right now only 1 year to accumulate all our favorite altcoins. Don't forget, watch always the big picture, bratans. There's not much time left on the big picture. If we are watching the charts, we see there's only approximately 1 year left until the halving. You see on this picture, on this chart, when the green field starting, this is when the bull market starts. This is when the halving starts, when officially the bull market starts. So we have here until the 1st April, less than 1 year left when we can dollar cost average in the market. And these dips are, in my opinion, not a financial advice, opportunities to buying some your favorite altcoins. Agix is definitely one of my favorite altcoins. You should make a portfolio of AI coins, of layer 2, layer 1, GameFi, and so on and so on. Then what we have more, IOTA dumped over 70%. I have some information that IOTA could pump in the bull market. Not a financial advice, be very careful with it. Flow, Filecoin 13%, Flow 12%. These are some blue chip projects. Phantom over 11% dump. Phantom are expecting also to be one of the winner of the bull market 2024-2025. Also 11% dump. So in my opinion, these are opportunities to buying some altcoins, bratans. Not a financial advice. Do your own research. Altcoins you can buy, or Bitcoin, all on Bybit. If you're leverage trading, you can get $1,000 for free long or short position. Link is down below in the description, bratans. If you have any questions, write me right now in the comments. We make a quick Q&A, bratans. Mwah. How much likes we have? How much people watching right now? If you appreciate it, hit the like button, bratans. How much likes we have? 44 likes, amazing. It's over 50% people liked, so maybe we can reach 50 likes. It will be amazing. So anytime this happens after price has held above both averages, we crashed hard. Let's see, bratans. I don't know, I can't tell you. One of the biggest indicators are this long short chart, because we see more longs in the market than shorts, and it tend to be that if we have more longs in the position, longs in the market than shorts, that we see indeed more crash to the downside. But it depends how far we will crash. Will we crash to the monthly support line 24,800 or to 20k? It depends. However, on the big picture, it doesn't matter if you're buying altcoins on dollar cost average. It depends only if you are trading. So if you're hourly or day trader, then in my opinion, it's not a financial advice, but it's a very clear opportunity. So if you are a day trader, if you are, or let me say it in this way, if you are a swing trader, then obviously there's a potential to take right now a long position right now with a price target of around 36k. So this is our big price target of 36k, and set your stop loss. You could set even your stop loss below 20k, so you would have still a risk reward of 1.7, or you could set your stop loss very tight below the monthly support line, so below 24,000, let's say 24,500 approximately. Then you have a risk reward of 9.1. It's an amazing. If you're an hourly trader, you could just watch out and wait in case we are breaking. In case we are breaking the monthly support line to the downside, you can immediately jump into a short at 24,400, let's say. You set your stop loss above the weekly resistance line, above 25,500, and set your stop loss, set your take profit at 22,500, it's 2.05 risk reward, or you set your take profit 21,100, it's 3.5 risk reward. So in my opinion, it depends how you want to trade. Or which trader you are, which strategy you have. In my opinion, it's a very clear opportunities if you are for long, for swing traders, for day traders, but also to dollar cost average into the market. Please give Slavik more likes, because he's very good friend with Jamie, Big Balls, Crypto Love, amazing. But now Jamie has to pay me $2,000 because we had a bet that he said in 3 months Bitcoin would go to 200k or 1 million even. He lost the bet again. You know that he lost. I think one time I lost the bet and 2 times he lost the bet. We just today wrote, Kava was the only coin that pumped. Very suspicious. Why pumped Kava? I don't know much about Kava, but why Kava pumped? Thank you, Slavik. Thank you, Bratans. How many likes we have right now? I mean, we need likes because, 62 likes. Wow, thank you, man. Thank you, Bratan. Because it's for the algorithm, right? Not enough, yeah. Guten Morgen. Do you prefer Trezor's, Ledger, or which cold wallet? As we saw some bad news against Ledger, I would prefer right now Trezor's. They had never negative news. Hello, I am Jamie. You're not Jamie. 100k? Bitcoin to 100k. Yeah, you remember? Yeah, we had the bet Bitcoin to 100k. Bratans, do you have any more questions? Write me down below. I will answer for you this question. And if you want to know some, where is it? which portfolio I'm building, because we have a small Telegram group. The link is also down below. Please only use the links always down below, because there are so many fakes. We have in this small Telegram group for our day and hourly traders. For example, here we see some trading alerts. We have ADA, blah, blah, blah. You get some daily trading alerts in this group. And also you get in this group, I show you which portfolio I'm building. So if I'm buying new coins, for example, here when I bought more SUI, right? I'm posting you which portfolio I'm building for the long run, for the bull market 2024, 2025. This group called 1000 Hunters Elite. Please don't search in Telegram. Only use the link down below. It's only $100 per month, and I show you which portfolio I'm building, and you get also trading alerts for short term if you are trading hourly or swing trading. If you want, link is down below, and you have even trading sessions. Please do a live show with Jamie. It's always good fun, and get your money from him. Yeah, but Jamie is not right now here, so I will. I prefer prison wallet. What do you mean? How to see Fibonacci level? Fibonacci level is very easy to see. There's an indicator you can just open and move it. Where do you think we will get price-wise next year when the halving will take place? 30, 40K? Let us quickly show very good questions from my bratan. Let us watch on the big picture. I'm going right now on the monthly to watch, and we just let us check out historically what happened. So historically, we saw always after the halving, we saw some dump happened. You see, I mean, 2 or 3 times right after the halving, we saw a dump, right, in the month. You see, halving, dump, halving, dump. Only the last time after the halving, there was no dump. So it's very difficult to say where we will be exactly after the halving, but I'm expecting that 1 year, exactly 1 year after the halving, we will reach the peak of the bull market. Because you see it based on the past here, if we are watching, we saw October 2012 or 2012, we saw bull market or the halving started, and it reached end of 2013. The top. Here we saw the bull market started, or the halving started 2016, mid 2016, and end 2017 the top was reached. The last bull market we saw, the halving happened 2020, and the top was reached 2021. So what we can say for sure is that it's very, very likely that after the halving, which will happen on the 1st April, we will see the top will be reached in 2025, mid-end 2025. And the top should be around, according to this big picture, the top should be here around between $130 and $140. So this will be massive. And $130, $140 is so reasonable, because if you're watching right now, Hong Kong is opening for crypto. And this is, like I always tell you, this is only test drive for China. China will open even more. Then we will see, if China open, we will see Russia open even more. There's so much institutional and government money which will flow into crypto. I mean, we cannot even imagine. It will be a madness bull market 2024, 2025. And if you right now prepare yourself, if you right now buying the right projects, buying not only Bitcoin but also altcoin, diversify the right way, then you have crazy opportunity to make crazy gains, because you are right now buying in this year before the halving. This year before the halving, this is the crucial year where the millionaires, it's called, are made. Not here after the halving. After the halving you can make also a lot of money, but here right now, when everyone is not interested in crypto, when we are here watching only 70, 50 or 30 people the live stream, this is the time when you have to watch out which altcoins you're buying into a portfolio. And as I told you, in my Telegram group, I show you which altcoins I'm buying. If you want, the link is down below. But it's also not a guarantee. You still have to do your own research, because only because I have a YouTube channel, it not means I'm 100% right. And only because I do my own research, it also not means I'm 100% right. So you can use me as an opinion, but not as based on my opinion, just buy blindly. Funny shows with Jamie and HZ daughter. Who's HZ? Slavic, the best TA in crypto information on the internet. Thank you, bratan. Check ZCX. I don't know what this project, bratan. I see you doing great, Slavic. Lost weight, still in crypto. Have a good day. Thank you, bratan. Yeah. I everyday gym. Beside Sunday. Is the bottom in your opinion? Could we go to 12K or even 9K? We could. So, according to this big picture, we could easily go to. No, wait a minute. According to this big chart, the bottom is in, because always the previous bull run we saw, the previous bear market we saw, always the bottom was exactly 1 year after top was the bottom in. Here you see the top was 2017, the bottom was 2018. The same is here right now. The top is 2021, the bottom would be 2022, end of 2022. So according to this chart, the bottom is in. However, it's not a guarantee. So we could see, if in case, for example, Binance would go bankrupt, for whatever reason it would go bankrupt, then we could see easily Bitcoin going to 10K or even 9K. Yes, it could happen. But right now, at the moment, the probability is not so high. The probability is more likely that we will see Bitcoin, according to this chart, maybe to go to 16K, approximately 16K, maybe even 15K, something like that, between 17 or 15K before we are moving to the upside. And you know, I sold a lot of Bitcoin at 22,100 approximately. So I will buy some Bitcoin at 15, 16, 17K back, and Ethereum could easily go back to $1,000, $1,200. This when I will also buy some Ethereum back, but I'm more risky. I'm building more portfolio of altcoins, bratans. You are the god, bratan. Bratan, could you analyze crypto total market cap? I did it already, bratan, but I can show you quickly again. So total crypto market cap is one of the most crucial indicator if you are watching or if you intend to trade crypto and Bitcoin. This is how we indicated the bottom, because we watched the previous top of 2018 bull market. We perfectly touched it, and after we saw relief ready to the upside. So what we could see right now is obviously we could see easily retesting again this line to the downside, so at $750, but it's not so probable. However, in a very big picture, you have just to watch right now the yellow lines. We are in a symmetrical broadening wedge, and the technical price target of the symmetrical broadening wedge, you measure always from the highest touch point to the lowest touch point. So you measure it like this: the highest touch point, lowest touch point. And in case we are breaking this line, this yellow line to the upside, the technical price target would be a market cap of 2 trillion. If we are reaching a market cap of 2 trillion, we would see altcoins, Bitcoin exploding like crazy. However, in case we are breaking this yellow line to the downside, what we don't want to see, then we could go to a market cap of 500 billion. And if we're going to a market cap of 500 billion, the last time when we saw the market cap of 500 billion, it was in 2020, so when the bull market started. And the crazy thing is, look this, how beautiful this TA is. I did it live in front of you right now, and you see at around 500 billion market cap, you see here also a massive support is coming in. You see here a lot of support and resistance. So in December 2020, Bitcoin was at around, let us quickly watch together, December 2020, well, you might be like, at December 2020, Bitcoin was here at around 19,000, yeah, you see? So we could see easily here Bitcoin going between 17 and 20K. Wow, it's so perfectly matched with if Bitcoin going down to between 19 and 17K, it perfectly matched with this big picture model, which we are the whole time watching, because according to this, we could easily go to between 17 and 15K, and we would not reach the bottom, but nearly the bottom, which perfectly in alignment of previous relief rallies where we saw a relief rally to the upside and then nearly reached the bottom, but not completely. Wow. So watch out for total crypto market cap. It's one of the biggest indicator, and watch out for this big symmetrical triangle. Amazing. Wow. What happened to FXS, bratan? Yeah, FXS is dumping because the whole crypto market cap, the whole market is dumping, and altcoins getting much more crashed. But FXS is right now on a crazy support line. So we see FXS right now here bouncing on this support line. In case we are breaking $5.60, I'm expecting FXS to go easily down here to $4, $4.80. This one I buy even more, but I have a limit order at $5.80 also on FXS. Do you exist a correlation between Nvidia and those coins mined with GPUs? Maybe if all GPUs go to AE application, could GPU mined coins as ETH Classic dump? Oh, very interesting. But they use a different GPU because AI, Nvidia's AI, they use it, or Nvidia's chip, it's a H100 chip, which is used for the AI technology. And the GPUs are a different technical part of it. So it's not the H100. So I don't think the coins would dump because the AI technology don't use the GPUs. They're using these H100 chips. You know what I mean? Aave wrecked me. Really? What happened to Aave? Let us quickly watch Aave because I'm still in my long position Aave. But if Aave wrecked you, bratan, this is not good because, as I told you, for example, I still in my Aave long position. Watch out here, we are still in this symmetrical, да сука, ебал я тебя в рот, блядь. 1 second. We are still in this symmetrical triangle. We are retesting here this support line of the symmetrical triangle, $55. So your stop loss should be around $40 or even slightly below, because we are watching for the price target here at around $161. So this was not good from you, bratan. You didn't have a proper stop loss. Do you have any more questions, bratans? Write me down below any more questions if you have. I will answer these questions to you, bratans. 80 people watching, 77 likes. It would be so crazy if you're reaching 80 likes, bratans. How do you think, what is the target for BTC for next bull run, please? I told you already, for the next bull run, the price target, according to this big picture, is around, if I'm zooming out again, the price target is exactly around between $140,000 and $130,000. This is the price tag. This will be from here on, it would be a pump of over 400%. So 4x could Bitcoin possibly do. Slavik, you passed my question. What was your question, bratan? Bratans, thank you everyone that you are watching this live stream. 84 likes, jobbaný v rot. Do MCRT TA. MCRT, I don't do a TA because I just trust Big Balls Jamie. I know he's just today wrote about MCRT because MCRT is, I trusting really in MCRT because it's Big Balls Jamie. But we see right now MCRT, had a nice pump. Right now is cooling down here and finding here some, we broke here support, right? We broke here support. This was a support line. So we broke a support line here down below. So what I would like to see that MCRT is pumping again above 0 0.002 cents, so 0.003 cents in order to go further to 0.004 cents, but it would be around 40% pump in case we are breaking here this line at 0.002 cent. But MCIT is a game it's a game, so, and I expecting that the game narrative or GameFi narrative will be very huge in 2024, 2025. Where's your guidance test with Rolls-Royce? Yeah, Vadim Bratan, I'm planning a lot of new comedy videos right now. I will do it also after I did here the live stream, because in the first half of the day I'm doing my crypto stuff, financial stuff, and the next half of the day I do my comedy stuff. So I'm working on it. What are your thoughts about RNDR wild high? I know RNDR. I don't know the tokens, Bratan. You're in Germany right now? No, Bratan, I'm not in Germany. But maybe I will visit Germany. For day trading, what method do you use to find the bottom before a reversal? I told you already, Bratans. I using the EMAs. You see here these EMAs, 20, 50, 100, 200. I watching them and using them on daily, weekly, monthly, and then I drawing my daily, monthly, weekly support lines. Also, I'm using VRVP to indicate where are the volumes coming in. Also, I'm using the market Cypher B. You can all of them just type in here in the indicators. Cypher B, for example, you see here Wu Manchu Cypher B. Then I'm using the RSI and I'm using the MACD. MACD, if they're crossing, it's very bullish. Oh shit, we see on the daily we cross the MACD, cross the green line, the red line. This is very bearish. This is very bearish. Fuck. Let's see. I mean, in case we are breaking, as I told you, in case we are breaking the monthly support line at around 25K or 24,800, I'm expecting Bitcoin to dump further to 23,600 to our VRVP, to this volume. Please talk us about your TV series related to crypto. I can't speak right now about it, Bratans. It's a very early stage I'm developing right now, but will be groundbreaking. What would you say about BRC20 token minting MXRC? I don't know this token MXRC, Bratans. I'm not in a Bitcoin trade, I'm in an AV trade right now, in a long trade. Do you have any more questions, Bratans? We have over 100 people watching. Thank you everyone for watching, Bratans. It would be amazing if everyone hitting the like, 94 likes. Job tvою мать. This is a new record. If you have any questions, write me down below. Big falling wedge on BTC on a daily. Let us watch quickly together. Where is this falling wedge? I know some people are drawing here this falling wedge. I don't like it too much. I mean, yeah, we could say it's a falling wedge. Yeah, possibly. We could see this falling wedge if we draw the lines. If we draw the lines like this, yes, it's a falling wedge. But then we have time till July, even August, until we see a breakout. I mean, can break out before. But according to this, we could go as low as 24,500, so we wouldn't break the monthly support line. Let's see. Like I told you, in my opinion, depends if you're long or swing or day trader. Potentially, it could be a long opportunity if we set our stop loss below 24,800 or below 24,500. But it depends on you, Bratans. You have to decide yourself what you want to do. I never saw you are using a Fibonacci for your analysis. There's a reason for this. No, I don't know, Bratans. I don't use it. I very rarely using it. Bratans, Joel, I don't know this coin, so I can't tell you much about it. I have to do research about it. Look more like a falling bear channel that broke down, which is not a good sign. Possibly. Thanks for the info for your daily. You're welcome, brother. 17,800 is the price where I will go heavy long. Yeah, sure, 70,000. I mean, everything below 20K is where we can go heavily long, right? Was hältst du von dem Energietoken? I don't know the energy token, brother. Is trading your only income? No. Do you have any more questions, brothers? 104 people. Oh, over 104 people watch it. It's amazing, brothers. Over 104 people watch. Come on. I can even make a heart here. Nice. And we reached over 100 likes, brothers. Thank you everyone for hitting or reaching over 100 likes. This is amazing. Opinion on P. P is I think P is this Ponzi scheme. No? Wasn't this P network a Ponzi scheme token? Or where is it? No, I don't know. This one, no? Yeah, I think this was this Ponzi scheme token. Well, fuck. I don't believe in this project. I don't know much about this project, but I don't believe in this project. Will it go down 25,650 level? Yes, it can go possibly down 25,600 level easily, because the big support line, which we are watching out, is the monthly support line at 24,800, and also what speaks for it is the long short ratio, because we are still more longs than shorts in the market. It's declining right now, but still we want to see more shorts in the market than longs in order to see a bounce to the upside. So the market maker usually liquidate all the longs if there are too much longs, or all the shorts if there are too much shorts. What do you think about all these pre-sales going on right now, like eDoge, Ecoterra and so on? I don't know much about it, but it's meme coins. It's risky shit. What percentage do you win trade versus loss? I don't calculate it, brothers. Opinion on DFY, I don't know. DFY, bratan. Is Bitcoin going up or down? Nobody knows if Bitcoin going up or down, but as long as we are holding the monthly support line 24,800, I'm expecting still Bitcoin to bounce to the upside. In case we are breaking monthly support line, I'm expecting Bitcoin to go to our volume VRVP 23,600, or even to 21,100 to our CME gap. Sooner or later, economy always recover. Governments soon again printing money. Because dollar, big Ponzi, and all assets price moon and times. This is what I always telling. Therefore, watch the big picture. We have 1 year to accumulate our favorite altcoins. No panic, bratans. Soon we will see moon, Bitcoin to the moon. And by the way, don't forget, we have full moon, bratans. We should see, with the probability of 70 till 80% in the next days, we should see Bitcoin running to the upside. Usually, on full moon, there is a probability of 70 to 80%. Look at this, man. Always. New moon, boom. Full moon, pump. Full moon, pump. We usually, always on a full moon, we see pump. Full moon, pump. So usually, we should see in the next days a massive pump to the upside. In the big picture, it looks also perfectly. Look at this, man. In the big picture, it looks like a bull flag. I mean, too much long, but I could really imagine that we see here massive pump to 35, 36K. What BSC20 coins do you have? I have paper and I have ORDI. I have a lot of ORDI. Any opinion about the FUD related to Gate.io? People are withdrawing their money. I don't know much about the FUD of Gate.io, but as I tell you always, don't hold your coins on an exchange because it's not a good idea. You should use always your cold wallet for this. Gate.io threatens legal action against rumors mongers. Crypto exchange Gate.io rejects rumors that sunk related token. Yeah, Gate.io faces insolvency issues amid multi-chain CEO arrest, 130 million net outflow in 24 hours. This was 4 days ago. I mean, better Gate.io token takes 10% fall after 150 million exits exchange. I mean, move your money to a cold wallet or to Bybit or to some other exchange. Is Bitcoin worthless? Bitcoin, it depends how you call it. Therefore, that Bitcoin it's same like gold. Gold is also worthless, but as it's a scarce asset, therefore it has value. And same is with Bitcoin because we have only 21 million Bitcoin. Are you planning to do IRL streams again? No, not now, bratans. Appreciate you so much. Know you since 2017. Crazy success. You are the reason to keep believing in me and my dreams. Damals einfach platter Wahnsinn. Krass, oder, Bratan? Yeah, it's crazy. I couldn't even 2017 back then imagine that I will have a G-Wagon, Rolls Royce, living in Dubai and have so many international friends. And yeah, it's crazy. I want to show all the people that everything is possible in life, Bratans. Bratans, I think the live stream was long enough. Thank you everyone for watching. If you have any questions, write me still down below. There's coming a short cut down of the live stream on this channel, on the shorts, and also on my Twitter channel. So don't forget to subscribe to my Twitter because here you have all the quick videos, the shortcuts of the videos, and all the shorts and some more infos. Slavic Crypto it's called. If you want, you can subscribe, bratans. Thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you and I see you maybe later or